Yo, what's going on, people? John Viet here, back with a brand new video. Just wanted to thank everybody. Man, we hit the 1K. We're gonna get it going. This is just the beginning. Everybody, thank you, thank you, thank you for the support. I couldn't even imagine a day that I'd hit 1,000 people that would be interested in watching what I have to say. I've been at this stuff, YouTube, for I think I want to say 3 years now. I started off just kind of like, you'll see my videos, but I started off just talking about motivation, and my whole journey of entrepreneurship kind of started about 4 years ago. And I just made videos, dude. You'll go to my last video, my first video I ever put up, and you'll see just me sitting there chilling. And over time, guys, I just kept trying. Um, I I did when Bitcoin was like real popular. I made some videos that got some traction on there, and it I ended up losing all my money with Bitcoin, so that didn't go too well. And then I was doing like my online business. I was making videos about that, but lo and behold, online marketing plus what I know best, pressure washing, has led me to 1,000 of you guys wanting to watch. Um, in my last video that I uploaded today, it was called How I Get Jobs in 2020. I want everybody to just go ahead and comment where you're from, your state and your city, or whatever you want. And I'm going to be picking 5 people to give $50 Amazon gift cards to on my birthday, which is May 24th. So I think it's Sunday. Okay, so this Sunday, I'm gonna be going back on that video and looking at the comments, and I'm gonna pick 5 people. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just like hit you guys up or whatever. We'll see how that works. But I'm just gonna leave a comment, and hopefully everybody sees it. Just asking for your email or something like that, or just reach out to me. Um, but just thank you guys. So in this video, I just wanted to talk about downstreaming and why it's very important to at least know what it is and how to get started into it. I put together some videos for you guys that all you have to do is just go down below and check them out. They are downstreaming related, and how to price for house washing, how to perform house washing, how to set up your pressure washing machine to downstream. And I did this because my friend had messaged me. You may have seen him in a couple of videos, but he used to work for me. And I'm long gone from Houston, Texas, which started my career. And it was great. If you're in Houston, you're gonna make a killing. But he hit me up and he was like, dude, I was watching your Facebook course. I enrolled and I got a $300 job today from Facebook, but they want me to wash the house as well. He's going to do $300 in concrete, and he's wanting to get into house washing. So I said, here, just for you, I'm going to put together these videos and give you access. And I was like, why not just share the access with the 1,000 of you that just subscribed? Okay, so I'm doing that. There is a special link for that down below that you can check out. And I was like, well, thank you, first off. And second off, here's exactly how to do it. Here is the pressure washer. Here is the exact tool you need, how to set it up. And then I included a video of me doing an entire house so you guys could see it, okay? It's incredible. But I get this stuff all the time, like, hey John, how do I downstream? How do I wash a house? What chemicals do I use? I'm like, am I gonna get this question again? So I just put together a video lesson library for you guys. Now, why would I even be talking about washing houses? Put it this way. When you first start off, you're going to do concrete. But the concrete job is only going to bring you $100 to maybe $300 or $400 max for an all-day job just getting started. Okay? You can't charge much on concrete. But when you add washing a house, that brings in a whole nother business of making money. You're almost tripling your income just by offering another service. Now, if you want to take it to the top tier and make $500,000 a year, you have to start doing roofs and very large commercial jobs. But if you want to make a cool $30,000 a year, you can do just concrete. Now, if you want to make $100,000, $200,000, $300,000 a year, you need to start offering services like house washing. Okay? When you do a house wash, you can charge thousands of dollars, thousands for one house. Okay? And I teach you all that, how to price, how to do the job, what chemicals to use, how to set up your pressure washer, how to even do the service, and you have to check that out. So everybody can do house washing. And it's funny because one of my videos of house washing with a foam cannon, you guys may have seen it, actually really blew up. And I don't know why, but I actually am ashamed of the job that I did, because not only was it very time consuming changing all the foam cannon bottles, but it wasn't effective. Okay? When I sprayed that on there, it took 5 times, almost 3 hours just to wash one side of the house. If I were to do the new method that I'm going to show you guys right now, which is downstreaming, you can do that entire house in less than 20 to about an hour. Okay, 20 minutes to about an hour, all 4 sides, depending on if you have a trailer or if you have to, set up time. But the concept is this. You're spraying on bleach that kills all the mold, bleach and soap. Let's say I'm covered in dirt. How are you going to clean me? You're going to rinse me in soap and water, and then when you're all soaped up, you're going to rinse it all off, okay? Same concept with a house. You want to assure the customer you're going to be removing bugs, mold, mildew, cobwebs, nest, bugs, more bugs, dirt, hard, heavy stains build up. You can even remove rust, okay? This is an incredible service to offer, and you need to get into it now. You're losing out on tons of money. You're maybe making $10,000 to $30,000 a year, maybe, doing just concrete driveways, and it's not okay. You need to go ahead and offer a service that you can do easily. I know you guys are scared, but in this lesson library, I teach you how to do it. Okay? Don't be scared. There's no reason to. There is no reason to. Okay? I'm not going to lie. I have had one bad experience, but I'm not going to go into that right now. That experience resulted in me refunding the customer. That was it. Okay? And it was a very horrible experience that could have been prevented if the customer did their part. Okay? I didn't do anything, but the house got damaged, and it was on them, but I refunded them. Okay? They had installed an electric outlet themselves not properly. Okay? Well, if water hits it, and they had just done it, they didn't tell me, It was brand new. They had just done it, and you know they didn't. We have an electrician friend that used to live in the neighborhood and stuff like that, and we sent him out to do some work for them, and he said they didn't do it right. So in my 5 years of doing this, I've had one bad experience that resulted in a $300 loss. That was it. I'm okay with that. I've never had to refund any other customers. I've never had a bad review. So it's a lot easier than it seems. You're just spraying bleach onto a house and then rinsing that bleach with water, okay? And you guys are like, well, what's the ratios? What chemicals do I use? So I just put this together and made it simple for you guys. So no more questions from you guys in our group about bleach. I'm gonna hit y'all with, here, check this out. Here's exactly how to do it. Here's exactly what you need. It's like literally shows you step by step. You know what I mean? It's just like, so here it is. But life's good, man. How's everybody doing? Life is good. Let's see if y'all can see. In sunny Florida, got to watch the sun go down. Know what I mean? Hitting the beach, getting a tan, working, pressure washing. It was funny today because a customer was like, "Oh, I'm sorry," on Facebook. They were like, "Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to message you. I was looking to get some information for my son." And I said, here's my YouTube. So if you're watching, I hope your son enjoys this content. If you are the son, thanks for subscribing. I hope you find a lot of value in this channel. We do have a free Facebook group. Check that out. But I'm ready to get back to full time. Full kicking butt, working every single hour of every single day. When you're waking up at 6 a.m. and going to bed at 9 p.m. and you're just beat and you haven't messaged any of your friends or watched any videos or TV, you're just working, dude. That's the money. It's when you know you're making money. And if you guys get to that point, you need to start getting a crew. Payroll, $15 an hour. Start getting some guys. If you want to know how I get my employees, I'll give it to you right here. Go to Nextdoor. Make a post on Nextdoor and say hiring for pressure washing. Great pay. Your phone will start ringing within 10 minutes. How much? Oh, hey, I can. It's like, okay, come on. Meet them up. Meet with them. Because that's all people in your area, in your neighborhood. If you live in a good neighborhood, there's good people. I've had many employees work from Nextdoor because they're reliable, trustworthy, never had an issue. And if I were to have stayed, I would have still had loyal customers. I'm just ranting here, getting it off my chest, man. Just talking. I can't believe how many of you guys have supported me through this channel. It's incredible. I never thought this was possible. So I'm gonna bounce, grab some dinner, keep it lean and mean, and who knows where this hat's from. Good old Tampa Bay Bolts, ready for some hockey. All right, guys. I'll catch y'all on the next one. It's good talking to y'all. Peace.